At Ring, we invent stuff, like the Ring Video Doorbell, Ring Alarm, and so much more. But where do we go from here? Introducing Ring Always Home Cam. Yeah, it's a camera that flies.
What?
We thought, what if we made a camera that can see every angle in your home without having a camera in every room? And make it smart enough so that you can teach it where to go.
Like this?
Yep, just like that.
Cool.
So, with the push of a button, it wakes up and goes here, there, or wherever you choose.
You forgot the orange slices, didn't you?
No way. Frankly, I blame the oranges. Hey!
And the Always Home Cam works seamlessly with Ring Alarm.
Yeah, that's not good.
Actually, it's great, because you can watch live from anywhere.
Well, good for you guys.
And when you're home, Always Home Cam is docked and the camera is hidden, designed with your privacy in mind. Introducing Always Home Cam, only from Ring.
This is Space Headquarters. Come in, over. Repeat your objectives, over.
Copy, Space Headquarters. My objectives are to monitor, discover, and explore.
Sir, we detected some motion last night. Your assignment? Discover the true origin.
Reviewing the footage. What is that?
This expedition will require Scout, equipped with advanced monitoring sensors. Now record your route using Scout's mapping technology.
Patrol deployment is now set for 2000 hours.
Copy. Recharging battery. Patrol initiated. Night vision camera is enabled. Obstacle detected. Engaging omnidirectional maneuvers. Approaching origin of motion detection. Life form detected. Going in for a closer look. Looks to be some sort of dog, sir. Oh boy, we got contact. He's licking the camera, sir.
Well done, Scout. Head back to base.
Successful mission, sir. Over and out.
Programming Scout's next mission.
Imagine a robot monitoring a public place, business facility, or industrial warehouse. These days, the leader in global security solutions, smprobotics, unveils a solution with numerous advances for their existing and new clients. smprobotics robots. Working in a group, robots coordinate perimeter, exchange data, and visual patterns. They are designed to work in extreme weather conditions and on any terrain, from sand to snow. The robots are compatible with all major security systems like visual management systems, alarm systems, messengers, and voice. They are fully autonomous, AI-powered, advanced proactive surveillance systems that come with a fully autonomous charging station. smprobotics is the future of global protection and safety.
Monitoring and securing your assets is never easy. From blind spots to simple human error, you've got your hands full just trying to keep up. But what if it wasn't that way? Indoor Robotics presents TANDO, a fully autonomous indoor drone fleet that makes inspection and operational tasks much smarter. Ideal for any indoor environment, TANDO provides real-time coverage with AI-based predictive analytics for monitoring, inspection, and response. Using patented ceiling-installed docking tiles, TANDO's fully autonomous drones drop from the ceiling to navigate your premises, returning to charge at the end of each cycle. TANDO can detect a broad range of anomalies, from people and objects to thermal and other changes in the environment, all while avoiding obstacles and ensuring privacy. With TANDO's intelligent monitoring in place, human error and bias are replaced by routine, reliable automation, ensuring no more false alarms, as well as full remote visibility and superior deterrence. Our cloud-based AI-powered platform enables you to seamlessly monitor your drone fleet, scheduling regular operations, deploying ad hoc responses with a single click, and ensuring perfect operational compliance. Why compromise on quality, coverage, or cost? Indoor Robotics multi-sensor platform provides 5-to-1 operational saving versus any other solution, with a one-time plug-and-play installation that's both scalable and easy to integrate into any building system. In short, you're looking at all the benefits at a fraction of the cost. TANDO, the future of indoor drone monitoring and inspection.